Hi guys, welcome back to the Flat Media channel. Today I'm going to show you the Rings of Power intro tutorial. Make sure to watch the video until the end to learn more about this. Before we start, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel and ring notification bell. As well, go to Elements Envato and get a subscription. Also, get your Filmora 11 today. Now let's jump into the video. Go to Titles and add the basic 6 to the timeline. Download the first Rain font. Go to Advanced and change the fill to Image Fill. Find a golden image and select it. Then add the title in this way. Firstly, we're going to write the first and last word with this font. The last word should be larger. Then go to Advanced again and add another text. Change the variation of the font. Write down the middle words this way. The first one should be larger. Then take your time to adjust them right. Then go to Sample Color and add the black color below. After that, export it. Drag the exported file to the timeline. Add the golden particle background. I got mine from Envato. Adjust it. Click on the exported file, go to Compositing and change the blending mode to Screen. Go to Effects and select the glow effect. Add it to the exported file. Now let's make the background more cinematic with a little playing with the speed. We're going to speed up the moving of the particles, and when they arrive at the middle, we're going to crop the clip and adjust it to normal speed. Lastly, go to Transitions and add the Evaporate one to the exported file. Adjust it so it fits the best. That's it for this video, guys. Again, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel and ring notification bell. Also, get your Filmora 11 today and subscribe to Elements Envato if you want to become a pro editor.